How to split a video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to split a video easily. First thing, go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now upload your video from here, or you can just choose from your drafts like here. Here I have these videos. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one to show you how to split. Now after you click on this video, you will have many options right here. All what you have to do to split the video, go here, click on this little icon here, click on it, and now all what you have to do is click on the split option down here, and your video is gonna split like this. As you can see, it's so easy and simple. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.